Yo, homie P1. We're in Chicago. We got the homie Sky Sword there. My boy, you seen him? What's up, Sonny? We're going on a road trip. We're just packing the last of the last stuff. We got to refill the coffee a little bit, and then we're hitting the road. Alright, we'll see. There's the car packed up. Subaru! Be in the car, we gotta get the directions going on the route, and then we'll be on our way. You ready, dude?
Yes.
I got it. Alright, peace out. Dude, so once let's go through downtown Chicago right now, I guess. It's taking us to the 9094 Expressway, and we gotta drive through downtown Chicago. Hey, but you know how, I got my glasses. Gotta keep those glasses on, dude. Alright. Car's gonna drive itself. Autopilot's on. I'm probably gonna hit some mad traffic going through Chicago downtown. Alright, no traffic. Oof, I thought this was gonna be bumper to bumper as soon as we got on. Alright, we're here. We made a rest area stop. We had to go to the bathroom. We stopped on the Blue Star Memorial Highway. It's a tribute to the armed forces that defended the United States of America. And this tells the sponsors. 2018? I don't know. Illinois Prairie. On the road again. There's people everywhere, so it's hard to like talk and be like, oh, this weird guy with a camera pointing at everybody. But here we are, we're gonna leave at Illinois Prairie. We check the car, make sure we are good. We got the kiddo in there. He's waving. We're here. The Subaru's all loaded up. Cross track. Let's get out of here. Oh, what am I sitting on? You ready, dude? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. To the truckers. Get it on. Get your helmet on. Give it gas, man. Give it gas.
Continue on I-57 south for 37 miles.
37 miles. All right. Oh, God. The lane is closed ahead. What? More construction zone? I hate construction zone. Well, you heard it though. They said like, what, 37 miles? I don't know what it said. We have still over 3 hours to go.
There's a lane closure ahead.
We got some lane closures. We're just gonna chill out. We're gonna jam to some music, put some Floyd in. Maybe we're gonna listen to that Patch some more. And yeah, alright, we'll see you on the flip side. You got anything to say, Sonny? Got anything to say?
Goodbye.
For now. Here we are. We're finally off the Interstate 57. We're just on rural road 45, whatever this is. Route 45, yeah. Is it? Yeah, I don't know what the heck. We're on 45. That's what we're doing, and that's what we're doing. Doing it. Then we get on the 121 here soon. Meadowview Golf Course is right here, right, wherever that is. So it's a tourist attraction. We're in corn country here. So what's up? Checking in. We're still on the road. We got about an hour drive still. We get the campsite. You know, yeah, I mean, we picked up food, the grocery store. We still need firewood, and we're gonna fill up the gas tank one more time before we get there. It's 1 o'clock. We're kind of really behind. I wish we got there at like 10 or 11, you know, started setting up camp then. Today's just gonna be chill. We're gonna find the camp spot, set up shop, and then call it a day. You know, just chill. Start lighting up a fire, maybe. You know, get some dinner going, some snacks. We're just gonna chill. Nothing to do but chill. So we got a hammock. Hopefully, we got 2 hammocks. I don't know if we got 1 or 2. I don't remember. But if not, only one of us is gonna be chilling on a hammock at a time. It is what it is, Jelly Bean. All right, later. Trees up in the distance. Look at it. It's like a hill, you know. Holy cow, dude. Here we are. Shawnee. What?
That's today.
I know! Are you kidding me? We're not gonna be able to see the Garden of the Gods? Dude.
Tell me at least. Go to the happy now?
We're not gonna be able to see it. The campground, I'm sure, is still gonna be open, but like...
Hey, that's really for that much.
Bro, I think that's a huge bummer. Did you see that? It's closed the week of that we wanted to go. The week of that we're going. Garden of the Gods is closed. So we're not gonna be able to go to the trail and do it? What the? What? I mean, I'm sure we could still camp and like find a campground, but we're not gonna go to the damn Garden of the Gods trail. It's bull crap. Like, I guess we should have researched it, but we didn't, you know. And we've been planning this for a long time now. Gee, man, I can wait to see a camel. We're still gonna go camping. There's other trails, I think, and stuff to go to. Bull, dude. And I can't actually just go to the trail, though. Garden God's Trail. I don't know, they're probably doing like maintenance.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Garden of the Gods Road. Take the next right onto Garden of the Gods Road.
We can't even get in there at all. We can't even get in there to the campsite we wanted to go to.
Continue for 2 miles.
Probably that added 10 minutes.
Alright, since Garden of the Gods is closed, since the Garden of the Gods campground area is closed and the damn trail is closed, there's other trails to go to. Well, we gotta research some more trails. Oh, look, there's some deer. Get out of the road! Should I honk at him? She's like, Mama just like, wait, dude. She's like, what? Alright, we're back. Since Garden of the Gods Trail is closed, there's alternative trails and alternative campgrounds and stuff we're gonna look for and go to. We're going to Pounds Hollow right now. Campground, that's where we're looking for. That's where we're gonna go to. So yeah, we're real close, like a mile away, 2 miles.